Hey everybody, we are the Marshall Way. We're training, keeping up our training during the pandemic. We've been working with grabs and punches, and in our series we've held in place, the attacker has held us in place to try to punch. They've pulled us, and now they're pushing us, right? So we did one push, we're gonna do another push. So the attacker's coming in, he grabs, and he's setting me up for a punch, but he's pushing me first, right? So he pushes. As he pushes, I'm gonna receive that energy. He pushes, I'm gonna receive the energy and turn, and I'm gonna wrap underneath his elbow, and that's painful. Okay, so let's do that again. I receive the energy, wrap. I could counter grab on his throat. I want to stop that other hand, kick him in the groin, pop, pop, right? Let's try the other side real fast. He grabs, he pushes, I yield and wrap. His arm is entwined, right? So this can happen very quickly. It's a very quick self-defense move in a situation where somebody's going to grab and push you or grab and move you. So train it very slowly. Keep up your training. We are the Marshall Way, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, everybody.